8mm waterproof lead metal indicator with symbol. The feature of this indicator light is that the lamp head part can be disassembled and assembled to replace the symbol sticker inside. Customers can replace the indicator light icons according to their own needs. Stick the lamp head out of the tube with a small paper stick, then screw on the tube and install the lamp holder, then use your fingers or other tools to separate the lamp holder from the lamp cover. Next, put the sticker inside the lamp cover, then invert the lamp cover on the table. Finally, align the indicator vertically with the lamp cover and press down until they are combined. The lamp tube has a clear printed mark of product information. The voltage range is between 5V and 28 volts, with other voltages customizable. The indicator light is waterproof to IP67, which means it can work even when immersed in water.